Hello again, and thank you so much for investing in Credit Repair Magic. Because it's my passionate commitment to help people improve their lives by fixing their credit, you represent one more step forward in my mission to change the world. I value and appreciate your trust and your business. So here's what you need to do next. Below this video are the instructions for getting started. I suggest downloading the PDF file so that you'll have them at all times. Then simply click on the access link and enter your unique username and password. When you get into the program, the first thing you should do is watch the short video that will take you on a tour of Credit Repair Magic. Now, a couple of quick disclaimers before you get started. Even though you can access Credit Repair Magic from any device, you cannot share your access code with anyone. We do track the IP addresses and login times, and if the program is shared with anyone else, we will disable access. Also, fair warning for all you techies out there, Credit Repair Magic, just like every other software program of any value, requires the use of a pretty ancient resource, snail mail. That's right, you're actually going to have to go to the dollar store and pick up a package of cheap envelopes. But you can buy your stamps online if you want. Stamps.com may even give you $5 in free postage, so you can go and check that out. The good news is that even though Credit Repair Magic uses snail mail, you don't have to write any letters because I've already written them for you. We call them ugly letters because they're designed to look unprofessional. You don't even have to sign them. You just have to print them out and put them in the envelope. Think you can do that? Of course you can. And there's one other thing you'll have to include in that envelope, a couple of pages from your actual credit report. Credit Repair Magic is the only approach that uses the credit report itself for the dispute. That's part of our copyrighted system. What do you care if you have to address an envelope and drop it in the mailbox? The important thing is that you will have your first dispute complete in less than half an hour. Now, I know you can find the time for that, especially if it means that you'll be working towards a credit score that will help you achieve the lifestyle of your dreams. So download the instructions first, and then go ahead and click the access link and enter your username and password. I'm super excited that you're getting started. I hope you are. If you have any questions, please just send an email to support@creditrepairmagic.com and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to share your outcomes with me. I love hearing your success stories. Again, thank you so much for your business. I appreciate you.